here from Kinder Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to use your service prop to get access inside your capo covers. Basically, you'll have your service prop, which is a full adjustable system, and all you'll need is a ring spanner or a shifting spanner to release the main fixing bolts on your C1 hinges. So let's just walk you through it. So one of these guys here will just come in nice and easy, and that will release off your main locking nuts. Pretty straightforward. Once you've done this guy can go away. You can pop up one of your hinges on one side just to get ready for it to lift off. Pop up on the other side. You'll notice on the service prop it's got a fork, a backwards facing fork. That's to pop in underneath your C1 hinge. So when you're ready, that will pop in like so, and then just lift. This will nicely secure underneath your main fixing bracket for your C1 hinge. This is a little cam lock, so you can use this to get micro adjustments. That's if you don't have full access to do a full rotation. This is really good if you've got structural stringers which don't allow you to get a full wrap on it. So once that's locked off, you're all ready to go to get access to do whatever you need maintenance wise inside. You will notice there's a knuckle in the system, so you can adjust the profile of your cover or how high or how low you actually want it to sit. So just bear in mind, it's just a fixing bolt with a wing nut, and that will just give you access to make those adjustments if required. To release it is simply just reversing this procedure. So when you're ready to go, back off your cam. You can go one step further and get your C hinges popped down just to make it a little bit easier to catch, but simply that will lift out, and just slowly release that down and just let it rest on top of your brackets. Put this guy away. One C1 hinge on one side, lock your nuts up, and on the other side, and just tighten that to your desired level. Job is done. You're ready to move on. So there you have it. Service prop, nice and easy. If you need any more information, please visit Kinder Australia's website or get in contact with your local supply representative. Thank you.